Tool Lots. Reliable equipment. Fast.
Hi, my name is Kyle LaRue, and today we're going to be going over a cleanup process for the 8-station, 8-color screen print machine. So some things that you're going to want to have handy are some gloves, some spare paper towels, and some old rags that you don't care about and are ready to throw away. So we'll go ahead and we'll put our gloves on here, and you can see we still have our spatula and paint open, and we have our screen opener as well. So let's start by cleaning off our spatula. So we'll try and save as much paint as possible here. You want to make sure, it's very important when you're working with these materials to keep them clean so they last as long as possible. And we'll spray some of our screen cleaner on it this time. Should help the paint come off. Okay, now let's go on to our screen. So we'll take a little bit of our screen opener, and we're going to start by spraying it on the bottom side first. And we'll take one of our rags here. We'll start scrubbing the underneath. I want to make sure to get this as clean as possible. Paint, since we have a lot on top. Grab a few pieces of our paper towel. Set here. Let's finish getting the last. And that about covers that for the cleaning process of the screen and palette. Some other general maintenance tips is to obviously just check any of your nuts and bolts, make sure they're not coming loose. They might rattle loose over time. So that's about it for this machine. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.